In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a professional CV quickly and easily. Crafting a compelling CV is crucial in showcasing your skills and experience to potential employers. So let's dive in and streamline this process using Canva, a handy online design platform. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser and head to Canva's website. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up. Canva offers free and premium options, but for our purpose today, the free version suffices. Once you're logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the home page, simply type CV and hit enter. This will bring up a plethora of templates specifically designed for CVs. Now you'll see various templates that suit different styles and industries. Browse through and select the one that best fits your personal brand and professional needs. It's helpful to choose a template that reflects the type of job you're applying for. For instance, a creative role might benefit from a more modern and colourful design, while corporate roles might edge towards something clean and professional. Once you've found a suitable template, click on Customize this template. This action will open up the template in Canva's intuitive design interface, where you can personalize it to fit your own experience and background. Now it's time to edit the template. This is where you input your personal details. Remember, your CV should start with your name and contact information at the top. Ensure that includes your phone number and email address so potential employers can easily reach out to you. Then move on to crafting a personal statement or summary. This is a concise paragraph at the beginning of your CV that outlines who you are, your career goals, and what you can bring to an employer. Think of it as your elevator pitch. Next, list your professional experience. Start with your most recent job and work your way backward. Don't just list responsibilities, focus on achievements and results that you can quantify. For example, mention how you increased sales by a certain percentage or led a successful project. After that, detail your education, include the institutions you've attended and any degrees you've earned. Much like your work experience, list them in reverse chronological order. Don't forget to add a section for your skills. This should include technical skills related to the job, as well as soft skills like leadership or teamwork. If applicable, you might also want to include additional sections like certifications, languages, or volunteer work. Once all details are in place, take a moment to review the design and ensure everything aligns perfectly. Pay attention to the font, alignment, and color scheme. These should look professional and easy to read. Finally, when you're satisfied with the result, save your CV, typically as a PDF, to ensure that the formatting stays intact and professional. And there you have it, a polished professional CV tailored to showcase your skills and qualifications. This ready-to-send document will hopefully open doors to new career possibilities. Happy job hunting!